Hi, I'm Joseph Barbier with DVIGear. I'm at InfoComm 2016 at booth C7141. Today I'm going to talk to you about DisplayNet. DisplayNet is uncompressed audiovisual signals distributed over 10 gigabit Ethernet technology. So we use standard 10 gig network switches from, say, Netgear or Cisco or Arista to distribute all our AV content. Effectively, this obsoletes the AV matrix switcher. So a few points on this. The DN-100 series supports HDMI, RS-232, bidirectional IR, 1 gigabit Ethernet, all over a 10 gig Ethernet link using Category 6A copper cable. Now, from the transmitter to the network switch, we can go up to 100 meters or 330 feet. From the network switch to the receiver, we can go another 100 meters or 330 feet. Now, the network switch is really what determines how many inputs and outputs you have. So if you have a 96 port switch, then you can configure any of those to be an input or an output based on whether you have a transmitter or receiver connected to the ports. Every port can be configured how you like. You can also configure the total array how you like as well. So in a typical AV matrix switcher, you're constrained to only certain configurations like 4x4, 8x8, 16x16. Whereas in this case, you can configure your ports however you like. So if you have a 96 port switch, you can configure that 1x95 or 95x1 or anything in between. So it's very flexible in that way. The third point is that DisplayNet is controlled using DisplayNet server. So DisplayNet server is essentially the brains of the system. So we can send commands from either just raw API commands or our DisplayNet manager software, or we can load our commands into a third-party controller. And then these commands are provided to the DisplayNet server, which distributes all the control commands through the network switch to all the endpoints. So it's a very open, flexible system with zero compromise and infinite possibilities. If you want more information, go to DisplayNet.com. Thanks.